All right, everybody, I'm in the shop. I got the high-low running, so you're gonna hear a little bit of noise. But if you look over here, HELLCAT Redeye motor finally came, and it is here, man. 797 horsepower. Wow, it is a beast, and it is big. All right, man. Let's get this motor put back in. It's been a minute. I know y'all been waiting, but it's finally here. I have the suspension already hooked to my K-frame. The motor is finally here. Shout out to my boy from CO. Got me together. Yeah, man, I'm ready if y'all are. Let's get this put in the car. We're gonna take the high-low, slide it underneath. Let's get this inside. Hey, what's up, y'all? Wasn't y'all talking that stuff? That I wasn't gonna get this started? Didn't you say I wasn't gonna finish? Who said that it wasn't gonna work? Take a look. How about that? We got the motor in. HELLCAT Redeye. Yes, sir. It's in there like swimwear. Supercharged. Hemi. Bang. See this? That's premium. Arms. Burning.
I know.
Arms. Milton. I don't care this time. Y'all have me messed up, bro. Check me out. Check this out. First drop. Look at these big daddies. Brimbos. Calibers. Big as my head. Check that out. Come over here. In the front. But we got the big Brimbos in the back too. With the fat calibers. Just about fat as your mother's ass. Look at that. 220. Come on. Your mom weighs more than that. Come on. I did get it done. Thanks for all y'all who supporting me, subscribed, and waiting on the next video. I know I haven't dropped none, but it's a lot coming. I just been so busy waiting on parts and getting everything together. Now that I got everything, from here on out, I'm gonna be recording every day, dropping new content, so just stay tuned. If you're new, go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me. And to all my subscribers, I love you guys. Thank you.